In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use web.crypto.com to purchase cryptocurrency easily and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with clarity and precision. So let's dive right in and get started with your crypto journey. First, you'll need to navigate to the main page of crypto.com. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL web.crypto.com, and it should take you directly to their homepage. This site serves as the hub for all your cryptocurrency transactions, investments, and management, providing a user-friendly interface that caters both to novices and experienced users in the crypto world. Once on the homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Buy button. This is generally easy to spot on the main navigation bar or within the dashboard. Clicking this initiates the process of purchasing cryptocurrency. It's a crucial step that essentially says, yes, I am ready to buy crypto. The interface is typically straightforward, designed to guide you smoothly through your transaction without hassle. After you've clicked on Buy, the next step is to select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Crypto.com offers a diverse range of digital currencies from the highly popular Bitcoin to Ethereum and beyond. Take your time to browse through the options if needed. Your choice will depend on your investment strategy or personal interest in the digital asset. If you're unsure, a little bit of research on the pros and cons of each currency type can be beneficial. Now that you've settled on a particular cryptocurrency, you'll need to enter the amount you wish to purchase. This number reflects how much of the selected cryptocurrency you are interested in acquiring. Make sure to type in the exact amount carefully to avoid any mistakes. Along with this, you will need to ensure that your linked bank account information is accurate. This is vital as it facilitates the transfer of funds necessary to complete your purchase. If you haven't set up your bank account details yet, stay tuned with us for future updates on managing your financial settings within the platform. Completing these steps will enable you to purchase cryptocurrency directly from your bank account, seamlessly integrating digital currencies into your financial portfolio. Crypto.com's platform strives to make this as simple as possible, allowing you to conveniently manage all your investments from one unified place. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you'll be on your way to buying crypto with confidence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further clarifications, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy investing and see you in the next video.